Okay, well, here I am on Panorama Drive again, overlooking the bluffs. I got the community college of Bakersfield in my background. And you're like, why is she wearing that bandana over her face? Well, on a day like this, when the wind picks up, it clears out all the smog, so you would think, oh, I can go out and breathe the fresh air. Not in Kern County. Now you risk exposure to valley fever if you choose not to wear a mask on a windy day. The consequences, either smog or wind. Either one, you can't breathe. I'm gonna do some filming again. Again, we're on Panorama Drive, overlooking the oil fields and the Kern River, which is actually pretty looking at this point. This end of it, you get toward town and the riverbed's completely dried out. So apparently they divert the water for agriculture or something at some point, and then there is no water. Okay, we're gonna turn around and focus in another direction. Gonna start it this way. There you go. It's oil fields. Everywhere you look. All this fracking going on right next to the Kern River. And I am not familiar with that mountain range. I don't know if it's the tail end of the Sierra Nevadas or if it has a different name down here, but you can actually see it today. On most days, you can barely even see the oil fields. We're gonna walk over here a little ways because amazingly, this is one of those really rare days. And if I'm at the right location, you can actually see the coastal mountain range, which you can't ever see on a regular day. Got the Kern River. This is why they call it the Bluffs. It's like this hill just rises up out of nowhere. And over in my distance, can you see him? I don't know if you can see him or not. Guess we'll find out when we review the tape. But yeah, that's the coastal mountain range in the background. And we're at the bluffs. I can't remember if it's Shell or Exxon that owns all these fields. This place is lit at night. You can see all the lights out here. Clear day in Bakersfield. Absolutely amazing.